Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to have a little bit of a different video. Today I'm up at Diamond Fertilizer here near High River to have a chat with Ryan Hughes from Nature's Aid to go over some of their products. So some of their product that we use quite often, you can see right here I got a Toda Early Riser on board. I'll be taking this back to Lethbridge and that'll be getting applied through a seed treater here yet in the next week or so leading up to seeding. So let's go talk to Ryan and see what's going on here today. And here we have Ryan Hughes. Ryan, why don't you tell us about the history of Nature's Aid?
So we're a family business. I took this over from my father-in-law, and he spent all his life in feed supplements and granular fertilizer. Eventually we got into liquid biostimulants with the help of Dr. Sen from Clemson University, and we built this into what we have now.
And where did you guys first get the idea for working on your own biostimulants?
I think the granular fertilizer. He got into that and then decided that there was ways to boost plant production in other ways than just fertilizer.
And you've been in the business now for well over 20 years, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, since the 70s.
Great. Well, let's take a look at some of the individual products here. So the first product we're going to talk about would be Winter Fix. So can you tell us a little bit of the theory behind Winter Fix and what it does?
So it's a product for the soil that we apply in the fall with your burn off or whatever. And what you're doing is feeding the life in the soil. It's the life that breaks down the trash and the chemical residue and promotes a more porous soil for the next year.
Mm-hmm. And so the components in this is mostly seaweed as well as humic acid, correct?
Yes.
And the seaweed is not the same as any other kelp on the market. This is a seaweed that has been tested. We know exactly what all the ratios are of PGPRs and biostimulants, right?
Absolutely.
Great.
The best ingredients.
All right, this product is Soil Aid. What can you tell us about it?
Soil Aid is applied in the spring with your pre-seed burn off. By feeding the life in the soil, you aerate the soil, allow more moisture and air to penetrate. That in turn helps transfer nutrients and give you a better crop.
Yep, so it's a good way to wake your soil up prior to even getting the crop in the ground, as well as potentially deal with some saline areas.
You betcha.
This product is one of our favorites here at AgroPlus, which would be Early Riser, which is the seed treatment. What can you tell us about it, Ryan?
It strictly focuses on stronger, quicker germination and emergence.
Yeah, I've definitely using it myself in some small trials, in germination trays. You can actually get significantly earlier germination by getting those biostimulants on there. And the next one would be Super Crop. Why don't you tell us about this?
This is a foliar booster. It's to go on with your herbicide or insecticide, and it is to promote the natural processes in the plant and the growth cycle.
And pretty low use rate on this product too, right?
Yes, 125 mils per acre.
Yeah, so it's really easy to throw in the sprayer tank, and every time you go across the field, throw another application on.
Yeah, one of the best things is ease of use.
Yeah, easy use and spoon feed that crop along and keep it stimulated. And here's all product ready to go for the spring between Early Riser, Soil Aid, Super Crop. Everything here is in stock, ready to go. We frequently run up here with trucks and grab some to bring down to AgroPlus. Here we got some slides from Ryan on Super Crop. You can see left to right some pretty significant differences in that crop as far as health and maturity goes, giving it that distinctive color. Looks very interesting there. That, of course, is barley back from 2018. And here we have Soil Aid. You can see left to right along that treatment line, some significant differences there with establishment as well as, crop health and canopy being significantly better on the applied side. So very interesting to see. Here's some of my trial results from the last couple of years. 2024, we saw an average win over 4 replications of 6.6 bushels on dryland wheat. So that was pretty significant. Pretty good ROI on that, especially considering this product, the price point that it's at, it's very reasonably priced for multiple applications. So we had a really good result on that. And then for 2025 in my replicated trials, it averaged about 7 bushel win on dryland wheat. So that's pretty significant as well. So definitely very happy with this product. It's been a consistent performer in my trials going back for 6-7 years now. So we will definitely be continuing to use it. And yeah, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And who knows, maybe we'll see you out in the field this season with Ryan.